At Tractor Tools Direct, we build our business around one core principle: 100% customer satisfaction. Not every company can say this. That's why when it comes to balers, we stand behind them completely. If they didn't live up to our standards, we wouldn't be selling them, period. When you purchase a baler from Tractor Tools Direct, you're choosing exceptional quality, exclusive features, and unparalleled customer support. Here's what matters. At Tractor Tools Direct, we have an obsession with quality. For nearly 15 years, we've specialized in compact hay equipment, and we know the industry inside and out. Our experience, combined with our strong relationship with suppliers, gives us the buying power to demand the highest quality standards, and we don't settle for less. We focus on value over price. While we keep our pricing competitive, we will never sacrifice quality to offer a lower sticker. Our customers, whether full-time farmers or weekend warriors, need equipment they can depend on, and we make sure that's exactly what they get. We work directly with manufacturers and fabricators to continually improve our balers. Our in-house engineer prototypes and tests new features before they're ever rolled out. What truly sets Tractor Tools Direct balers apart are the unique features that elevate their performance and ease of use. We don't just sell balers, we help design them. That means we have a hand in crafting machines that solve real-world problems for small farms. Take the Ibex TX31 round baler, for example. It's available with options like net or twine wrap, a push-button tailgate, a specialized drawbar, and other premium features that are rare or entirely unavailable on similarly sized balers. By focusing exclusively on small farm hay tools, we're able to develop equipment that's tailored to your needs, not just scaled-down versions of industrial machines. These aren't off-the-shelf products. They're purpose-built tools for efficient, independent haymaking. Our customer support goes the extra acre. We don't stop at the sale. In fact, our relationship really begins once you purchase a baler from us. Our support team is ready to help you from the moment you place your order through years of operation. Here's what our customer service includes: live expert support from real people, even if you're calling from the field. In-depth product knowledge. Our support staff have hands-on experience with our balers and can guide you through any issue. Comprehensive resources. From manuals to instructional videos and blogs, we equip you with everything needed to operate and maintain your baler. We are even an authority on small farm haying with our recent publication, Haying Independence, the ultimate guide to small farm hay production. We offer fast parts availability here at Tractor Tools Direct. We stock all parts and supplies in our Indiana warehouse, and most can be shipped within days or overnight if needed. Parts can also be ordered 24/7 through our website. We also offer financing with rates and terms specifically for farmers through Ag Direct, and we back it all with our satisfaction guarantee. We offer a 2-year warranty that includes all necessary support and free shipping, guaranteed direct service from us, and full damage coverage during shipping. If something goes wrong, we make it right. The bottom line is that you're getting the whole package at no extra cost. But don't just take our word for it. Let our customers do the talking. Check out our reviews. Are you ready to take control of your hay production and gain independence on your small farm? Let Tractor Tools Direct help you make that happen.